Welcome to our double angle formulas part 3 video. Let's take a look at our example. Use a double angle formula to evaluate the expression below, tangent of 4 pi over 3. Now, since we're dealing with tangent, let's go ahead and identify the formula that we will be using. Notice that that's this third formula here. So we have tangent of 2 theta is equal to 2 times tangent of theta over 1 minus tangent square of theta. So notice that the input here is 2 theta, so we're going to match that with the input of our expression here. So let's formalize the solution by saying the following. Let 2 theta be equal to 4 pi over 3. Now the next thing we want to do is to isolate the theta. That is, let's leave the theta by itself. So we have 2 theta is equal to 4 pi over 3. Let's go ahead and divide both sides of the equation by 2. So this implies that theta is equal to 4 pi over 6, because 3 times 2 gives you the 6. Now let's divide both numerator and denominator by 2, so we get that theta is in reality 2 pi over 3. Now with that in mind, we can rewrite this particular expression as follows. We would have that tangent of 4 pi over 3 is equal to 2 times tangent of theta, but in this case theta happens to be 2 pi over 3, so we have 2 times tangent of 2 pi over 3 over 1 minus tangent square of theta, and again theta happens to be 2 pi over 3. Now let's go ahead and find out what is tangent of 2 pi over 3. Well, recall here on the side note that tangent is equal to sine over cosine. So tangent of theta is equal to sine over cosine. So we're going to use that information to come up with the particular value for tangent of 2 pi over 3. So this is going to become simply tangent of 2 pi over 3 is equal to sine of 2 pi over 3 divided by cosine of 2 pi over 3. Now looking at our unit circle, we're going to find out where is our angle 2 pi over 3. Well, that happens to be here. Now sine is your y coordinate, so we have that the y coordinate here is root 3 over 2 divided by your cosine, which is your x coordinate of negative 1/2. Now here the 2's cancel out and you have square root of 3 divided by negative 1, so this is simply negative square root of 3. So substituting that value back into this right hand side expression, we get the following. We get that this is equal to 2 times negative square root of 3 all over 1 minus negative square root of 3 quantity squared. Now let's simplify this. This is equal to negative 2 times square root of 3. Once you multiply the 2 by the negative 1 coefficient here, implicitly in there, and this is over 1 minus negative square root of 3 quantity squared, because becomes simply 3. So this is now negative 2 times the square root of 3 all over 1 minus 3, which is negative 2. Notice that the negative 2's cancel out, and this simply becomes the square root of 3. Therefore, we can say that tangent of 4 pi over 3 is equal to the square root of 3. And this concludes our video on how to find or how to use double angle formulas part 3 when it comes to evaluating expressions. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.